Hi, today we'll be discussing cash apps and spending a little more time focusing on variance and what it all means. The very first thing you should do is make sure that all your tabs have been cleared. Once you've done this, end your shift by clicking on the menu button heading down to end shift. Enter your manager's password and this window should pop up. So over here you would see your opening float. This is the amount you entered when you started your shift. Total cash on hand is the total amount of cash made since you started your shift, and that total was 201. Then click next. This section deals with the amount made using card payments, and you would fill in your total over here. And then click next. This is just the total of all the amounts that you entered, as you can see your tally over here. Submit. Okay, so this is the important bit. Your tally is what we've entered previously. The system is what the system recorded. Variance, we'll get to this now, and the gratuity, you could call this your weighted step. So, variance. There are three things to remember about variance. 1. A value of 0 means that the tally amount matches your system amount. 2. A positive variance means that the tally amount is more than what the system recorded, and this extra amount is shown as gratuity. And 3. A negative variance means that the tally amount was less than what the system recorded, and the waiter should go and recheck the amounts entered.